Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So step index, I just gave this call on step index, sell call on step index, and I've given it to my VIP guys. All right, let me quickly show you guys. So in case you're looking for a place, a reliable place where you can be getting signals, all right, signals and mentorship, do you see it? All right, you can see money that we'll be making, all right. So do you see it, guys? If you're looking for a place, you can see how much we'll be making with flipping accounts. If you're looking for a reliable place to be getting signals and mentorship, I got you covered, bro. So yeah. So I just gave it to the VIP guys, and we have about four TPs. Four TPs. You have here TP1, TP1, TP2, 3, and 4. So do you think we can smash all TPs? All right. So my fear is just this level. If we can break this level, this very level here, this is a strong level, a very significant one. If we can break it, then we are likely to, hit our target. Yeah, we are likely to hit our targets because this level is very strong. But I think we are in a downtrend. All right, look at that. Look at this. We are in a downtrend. All right, and yesterday gave us a bearish. Yesterday gave us a bearish storyline, and we've gotten to the yesterday at our closing price. Okay, closing and opening price. So which means that we've dropped push back to that opening and closing price zone for yesterday. So I believe that markets will be going down more. All right. I know it might be confusing to some people, but here I want to advise you guys. If you are new into trading, or even if you've been into trading before, and then you're still making use of indicators, rely on indicators 100%, then you have to upgrade. You really have to upgrade. There's so much to learn. Okay, you need to learn the actual price action, how to analyze the price properly, perfectly well. When it comes to price action, there are so many strategies. We have the ICT, SMC, demand and supply, support and resistance. We have so many strategies. Okay, so you just look for one good strategy that you feel you're comfortable, but the strategy must have a complete it must be a complete trading system. It must have the support, resistance, entry, confirmation, and everything. Do you understand? So you can learn from anybody. You must not learn from me. But then if you're looking for a reliable place, any place you're certain nobody will scam you, then you can check the description box to chat me up to join the academy to get our lifetime VIP signals. Right now, we are running a special discounts. If you want to learn, check the description and join the free Telegram channel. You see the discounts. Okay, so you can join and benefit from this for June batch will be up pretty soon. All right, so yeah, so take a look at this crash. I mean, step 100, or you can just call it step because this is the first step that we had. I don't really understand other steps. I love this one. So step is my favorite asset, and when it comes to trading your favorite asset, you hardly get hurt, and even if market doesn't go your way, you just understand that there's market for you because after all you've been making it from that same asset. All right, so step index has been my own favorite. I will tell you why. Before I show you how to do this analysis on your own, let me quickly tell you why I love step index. Look at this step index. If I bring my horizontal line and place it here, you see that market reversed here several times. See, market reversed here. If I bring another one here, another one and put it somewhere here, you see the market reversed here. So it respects price action very well. They have pushed it to this place. You see that it respects price action. So if you're a scalper, especially as a scalper, it's easy for you to really make money from step index. Very easy to make money from step index. All right, unlike other assets. So step index actually respects analysis, and once it breaks a zone, it comes back to retest that zone. Take a look at this. Market broke this level, right? Went up. Look at that. Market went up. Market actually went up after breaking this zone. Went up back to this place to retest. Okay, so there was another level here that market got broken before. It went tested that level back to this point and then went up above this level. I come back. If you check on the 15 minutes time frame, you'll be able to see that. You see the retest, return back to retest this zone, then went up again. There's a zone here. After breaking this zone, okay, so if you push it up to this point, you see that market drop back again to retest this point, and another one here broke this level, went down again to retest. So it's always doing this, so which means that it respects price action, it respects your analysis very, very well. So that's why I love trading step index. Some people will be wondering why others are trading VIX 75. Why is it step index that you love? I prefer step index because it respects my analysis, and those candlesticks gives you exactly what you want. Check this candlestick right now. You see the candlesticks around this level before the market reversed. Now take a look at this other one too. See this one before the market reversed. Are they similar? Of course they are. So you see stuff like that. That's why I love step index. Okay, it gives you good confirmation that something you've been saying before, you still see it there and it happens. All right, so that's why I love trading step index. Okay, so you see, if you study price action, you'll be able to understand which pair is your favorite. Are you to trade gold? Are you to trade something else? You don't trade what every other person are trading because you have the knowledge. All right. So now, why did I take this trade? Okay. Before I start, guys, just smash the like button, subscribe. Let's jump in. So I'll delete this stuff first of all. We want to go to a higher time frame. Let me delete this one as well. We want to go to a higher time frame, and this is my higher time frame. Market has given us a bearish. Market has given us a bearish daily storyline. Okay, and so what are we looking for? We're looking for selling opportunity because we are in a downtrend. Because market actually did something like this: up, down, again. Is going up to this point. So there's a movement, though you cannot really see it on the daily. So then why did the market reverse? Market reverse around this level because for some reason, which will be seen on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so now we don't really have much information here on the daily time frame apart from knowing the daily storyline. All right, so you move to 4 hours time frame, and the 4 hours time frame and the 1 hour time frame are the time frames where you can really tell why market moves very well. So now, after knowing the daily storyline, I know that markets will be selling. What it's doing now is just a pullback to a certain structure. Now, what is the market doing? We had this significant low. The market went up, broke this low. We had this very strong low before the push up. The market went up. This level got broken, which means that this was a very strong zone. For market to break to this point, this is not just liquidity. This is not just scrapping liquidity. This is the actual market direction, which is a downtrend. So now, after this level, you will expecting market to go back to a certain zone to reverse from. All right, so you'll be looking for the zone that the markets will reverse from. All right, so I have a level here. You see, market reversed around that level before. Remember, step index, whenever market breaks the level, you want to go back to that level to retest that level. So this level, market reversed around this level before. Okay, like maybe yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay, so if you go back to this side, you see that market respected that zone before. Can you see that, right? Then we keep going down. If you keep going down, you still see around that zone that market respected that level and reversed before. Let's keep going down. Because you want to be sure that you can see that now. Market reversed there. Okay, you see that, right? That's where market reversed before. Okay, so it reversed here. There was a reversal here and there was a reversal right there. Okay, so that makes it a very strong level on the charts. If you keep going, you see now, look at that. So there's what we call old zones and new zones. These are the old zones. These old zones here respect the market very well. So you can see market reverse around this zone, reverse here. So that makes this level strong. Some people says if market touches that level over time, the level becomes weaker. I don't think so. It makes it even stronger for market to reverse around that level over and over. It makes it stronger. You can look at that several times. Market touched that zone. All right, touch that zone. As simple as that, bro. Okay, market touch that zone. Those zones, sorry. Market touch those zones. Market touch those zones and reversed. Okay, so what again? We've gotten that information. So that's the key level on our chart. That's the level we expect market to reverse from. Look at that. Now, after doing this, you need to wait patiently for market to do what? Get to that point. But before then, you must be sure that there's a liquidity grab. Market has, there's a liquidity that is taken out. You can see that level. So where's the liquidity? This zone. That's the liquidity zone. Market has taken out the liquidity. After that, where's the next level that markets will get to? This level. This level. Okay, after taking this liquidity up to this level, and you know that markets will be dropping. After that, what the next thing you're doing? You're waiting for candlestick for confirmation. What are the candlestick confirmation? You want to be sure that market is losing momentum. As it losing momentum, how do you know? You start seeing tiny candlestick like what we are seeing here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that we started seeing weakness. Market started losing momentum, started getting very weak. All right, that means that buyers are pulling out their investment because they know that market has gotten to a key level. So that means that sellers are dragging the market with the buyers, which means since market has been going up, it has not reversed, and it has taken out the liquidity and up to this strong level that we saw on the daily and the 4 hours, which means that market is likely to reverse around that level. That's it, bro. Now, what's the final entry? You look for your final entry and you look at the candlesticks confirmation. You enter. If you know your candlestick confirmation, your price action, you do your price action well. You know those candlesticks that will tell you it's time. Let's enter the market. Look at our entry. Look at that level. If you know those candlesticks, you jump in and make your money. So if you join the academy, you know all these stuffs. I show you the candlesticks. Okay, if you see these 3 candlesticks, you see these 2 candlesticks, you see this one candlestick, you know this is what's gonna happen. As simple as that. If you keep doing this, let's say on maybe bring out 10 trades on stable index, you keep doing that, you're likely to win 7. Even if you're winning 6 times with good risk to reward ratio. Take a look at this. Where's our SL? See where our SL is, which is 2 times our first TP. Look at our second TP. Look at our third and the fourth TP. So if we can do all this back to this point, that means even if we lose from our entry to this place 5 times and we win only 3 times of this one, we are still profitable. We are still profitable. So let me tell you, it's not about showing off, people coming online to show off, to lie to you guys, to sell courses, to lie to you guys, to mentor you guys. It's actually giving the right knowledge. Look at what I just did now. This is as simple as that. All right. So if you join my academy, we mostly have our classes on Zoom. Okay. I'll be there to teach you. It's unlike other mentors where when you join, you hardly see them. Some other people will be teaching you. You expected them to teach you. You'll be seeing other people. They are mentees to teach you. They will teach you what to do, and you will not see them. And that's it. My own, I'm always there on the call to talk to you guys, to explain, to answer questions, to give assignments, and give some good reviews. Okay, so that is how it is, as simple as that. Then I'll send all the videos, the materials required for you to learn, for you to grow, and you can always chat me up anytime. I'm not like those big guys where you have to think over and over if it's right for you to chat them up, and sometimes they will chat, they will not even respond to you. But this one, you can have access to me whenever you have issue, you come and chat. That's it. The idea is to help people grow. The idea is to make at least 10,000 profitable traders before I quit trading forex. Okay, that's the idea, that's the aim, that's the goal. Okay, so that's it, guys. I think that'll be all for now. If you can watch this video over and over, trust me, you'll be able to do this that I'm doing. Over and over, you'll be able to do this that I'm doing. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, guys. Share with friends. Let's grow together. The major is right here. Bye-bye for now.